What's up, guys? It's your boy, Bay Warrior. Just came from over my mom's house to my grandparents' house. Yeah, we got life, bruh. Oh yeah, we also have a food truck company. Let me get closer so you can see better. It's called the Old Fashioned. Oh crap. Hello. Okay, it's called the Old Fashioned Smokers. And today I'm gonna be trying to ask my grandpa if I can ride the lawnmower because hold on, let me go. Oh, dang it, I stepped in the grass. See, we just came from a party, but not a party. Hey buddies, if y'all can see her. Let me see my son. I am a dog. That's a dog, but I don't want her to get shot at camera. Okay? Yeah, here's some stuff I never even seen before. What? Hello, guys. Oh yeah, but my sister just had a birthday party. And see, she had that all day. Yeah. Yeah, fresh life. And this is my papa truck and no fast smokers. Let me go show y'all his thing. Hold up. We get in there. This is just my orange. Hello, orange. This is the one I'm talking about. You can actually drive it. I'm gonna ask my papa, can he record me doing it? But you know, that boy always get that answer. Yes. Today, no grass. You can even look at my feet. No other grass. Forget. Freak ding. Freak ding. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm gonna go ask my papa. Can we do it? We have a lot of wood because, yeah, we have a food truck. Say hi, Papa.
Hey.
I wanted to ask you, can I drive the lawnmower now? Can I drive the lawnmower now?
In a little bit.
In a little bit. That's still a yes. So I'll actually be doing a part 2 of this. How long is a little while, Papa?
Go out there in the yard, make sure ain't nothing out there where you tear the lawnmower up.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna make a part 2 of this. Don't worry, I'm gonna post both videos today. And